Welcome back, data structure online class. Today we are going to see implementation of stack using pointers. Before that, implementation of stack using array. There are two implementation. One is a stack can be implemented using array. So array is a which makes a fixed size stack implementation. But now in linked list or pointer implementation on the stack, we need to allocate space dynamically. So that is the main thing of for implementing stack using pointer. Okay, I already told you stack is last in first out. So stack is a ADT, it is abstract data structure. It is commonly used in most programming languages. One of the real world example for we can place or remove a card or plate from the top of the stack only. Suppose if you want to remove a card, it allows only to remove top of the card, or you can remove or you can take a plate, a dozen of plate. From that you can remove top to bottom. So that is the main the operation we can done the stack. Okay, from that exercise here we are going to implement if the linked list stack using linked list. There are three steps. First, the algorithm for push operation. What is push? Means an element on the stack, pushing an element on the stack. That is the another word is the process of putting a new data element onto the stack is known as a push operation. So before pushing data, if you want to check whether the stack is full or not, suppose if the stack is full, it produces an error message and it exit. Or that if the stack is not full, it increments top to point next to empty space. So that is the main thing of pushing new element onto the stack. So again I repeat that point. Check if the stack is full or not. Whether the stack is not full, increment top to print next empty space. That is add data element to the stack location where top is pointing and then return success. So this is the meaning. So I have one algorithm for push operation. First, if stack is full, it return null, that is for giving error message or exit. Or if the stack is not full, the top will be incremented. It's very simple algorithm. Only the two meanings there. If the stack, whether the stack is full, the return null, or if the stack is not full, the top will be incremented. Then another one popular operation for stack in push operation. What is push operation? That is pop operation. Whether the push means that the new element will be added onto the top of the stack. On the pop operation, it is for accessing content while removing it from the stack. It is known as a pop operation. Simply we call it as to removing the data element onto the stack. Okay, so that is known as pop operation. the data element is not actually removed. Instead of top is decremented to a lower position in the stack to the next value. That means there are uh, 4 5 steps are there. If the stack is empty, here first you check the condition. If the stack is empty, check if the stack is empty, produce an error message. If the stack is not empty, so you can access the data element and which top is pointing, so that is to be removing the first item. Okay, then return a success. So push means first if the stack is, check whether the stack is not full. Here the in pop operation checks if the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, it could not remove the element, because it get you if you get the error message. Or if the stack is not empty, the data element at which top is pointing, that is to be removed. Okay, here you see that the diagram for before I push 5 items A, B, C, D, E. So totally there are 5 items will be inserted onto the stack. Currently the top will be pointed out E. I give the pop operation, so I want to remove one item from the stack. So to remove last item, last inserted item to be removed, that is E to be removed. Okay, so here you see that the algorithm, uh, if the stack is empty, check if the stack is empty, it return null. Or if the stack is not empty, the top will be decremented. Before the top will be incremented for push operation, decremented by pop operation. So this is for two popular operations we have to done the implementation of stack using pointers. Okay, now we are going to type. So this is our exercise number 2 in section A for implementation of stack using pointers. So just I copy the program, just I copy the program. Now again I go to open dev C++. So after opening the dev C++, go to file, new, open source file. Here I copy the program, so I copy that program. So this is one complete program for implementation of stack using pointer. Now go to a run and compile and run. So before that you save the program, the file names, I give the file name stack using pointer and save. So now compile the program. Here you go to execute, compile and run. So here please enter your choice. The first choice for push, second choice for pop, third choice for display, then fourth choice for exit. So I want to push the element, so I give the choice 1. So enter number to push into the stack. Now I want to push 25 on the first element. Do I want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. So plus 1. Now the stack pointer is pointed out the first element, that is 25. Now again I want to push the another element onto the stack, so I want to push element, so enter choice 1. Second 27. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. The two elements will be inserted onto the stack. Again one more element will be inserted, so that's why I plus 1. Third time 30. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now I want to display the element, how many elements inserted into the stack. So I want to see how many elements into the stack, so you want to enter choice 3 for displaying element 30, 27, 25. Currently the pointer is point out 30, that is the last element which is point out the top of the stack. Do I want to continue? Yes. Now I want to pop one element by using choice 2. So automatically it removed on top of the stack. So currently the top will be point out second element, so top will be decremented. Before top is 30, and third 30 is removed, the top will be decremented by second, that is 27. Okay, yes, I want to continue. Now display the items, so press the 3. So only two elements are the 25 and 27. Okay, then finally you press the option for 4, it is exit. So this is one simple exercise for implementation of using linked list or pointer. Okay, thank you, keep on watching video.